Hi there, I'm Eva from EnglishWithEva.com and I'm here to help you with your English. Before we get started, please go to the settings down here on YouTube and select your language. Have you done that? Okay, so we can start to work together. We will have 1000 words for beginners and we will have 3000 words for intermediate students. The beginners will also find flashcards on my website, so you can download them, you can print them, and if you cannot find your language version there, just download the English version and write your own translation here. Google Translator will help you a lot. Then we will go through grammar together, vocabulary, we will train a lot of reading, writing, speaking. But the first thing I would definitely recommend is the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, because there might be a lot of symbols that are not found in your language. I will upload the IPA for you and you can watch it and learn it with me. And then we can start the course together. I can guarantee that if you train like 3 times a week, 5 times a week, let's say 20 minutes, so within a year or two, you will be able to speak fluently. It all depends on you, on your hard work. There are millions of materials on YouTube. You can study with a lot of super trooper teachers, and you will see. If you like my course, you will have to drill English a little bit. You will have to memorize the vocabulary, try to create the sentences. I will train it with you. I will try to speak with you on YouTube. And I would love to see your feedback if you can really speak in a year or two. If you like my channel, please subscribe and support me. Give me a thumb up. This will be the appreciation of my work and I will be very grateful for that. So I hope you will enjoy it and see you soon.